how to update category URLs on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update it. First, open your browser and then once you're here, click settings and now type here URL, or you can just scroll down until you find it here and then go to category URL settings, and here we'll find just manage until you want here, and then click update URLs, and that's it. Now just click save and go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.